Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do videos on luxury handbags, shoes, shopping, and occasionally travel, but mostly handbags. So if those are topics that interest you, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be listing really great designer bags for $1,000 or less. If you're looking for a bag in this budget, these are some really great options to consider. So the first bag on the list is going to be the YSL Sade Mini Tube bag. Now this is an actual shoulder bag. It has a chain with a leather strap attached to the bag, so it's not a pouch. Oftentimes within this budget, we're looking at a lot of pouches, so this is an actual shoulder bag. It is a mini bag, but it's pretty roomy, so it should fit your phone. It retails for $895 and comes in lambskin. It has a classic quilted look, so I think that it will stay in style, and it has this cylindrical shape that really reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Papillon bag, which was a really popular bag in the 2000s, and you see this shape coming back. So it's definitely a bag on trend, but you won't be paying the Louis Vuitton prices if you like this bag. So definitely one to consider. Next on the list is the Chloe Woody Bucket bag. Now this bag retails for $650 US, so it's way below the $1,000 budget, and it's a really cute bag. It definitely leans into that summer raffia straw bag trend if you like that look. This is a bag that should also fit your phone without any problems. I like this bag because although it's a bucket bag and those tend to not really be my favorite design, it is pretty secure. It has a drawstring closure at the top, so it gets rid of that concern that I always have with bucket bags of somebody reaching in and not having me notice. You can hold this bag two ways by using the web ribbon with the Chloe monogram on it as a top handle, but then it also comes with a leather crossbody strap, so if you want to wear it crossbody, you can wear it that way with no issues. It's a small bag, but it still has enough room to fit all of the essentials. Super cute from Chloe, one to consider. Next up is from Givenchy, and it is the micro Antigona bag. The Antigona bag has been around for a decade now, and while I did see these start losing some popularity in recent years, I really think it was because of the larger sizes. They did come in smaller sizes. Now they have this micro size, which really leans into the mini bag trend. It comes in box leather. You can get it in black, white, and hot pink. It comes with a magnetic closure and a removable strap, so if you want to wear it as a shoulder or crossbody bag, you can, or if you want to remove the bag and just use it as a top handle, that's also an option. This bag is not going to fit an iPhone Pro Max, but it will fit a smaller phone than that. This bag is currently retailing for $765 US. Next up are going to be two bags from Gucci, and the first bag is going to be the Super Mini Dionysus bag. The canvas version currently retails for $990, so it's just under the $1,000 mark. If you get the leather version, it's going to be over this budget, but I like the canvas one better. I think it's just more classic for Gucci. It will fit a card case and a smaller iPhone, not the iPhone Pro Max, so if that is something that you have and you need it to fit your phone, this might not be the greatest option, but I think at this point we should all just ditch the iPhone Pro Max. What do you guys think? The second Gucci bag on my list is going to be the Ophidia GG mini bag. It's a cute shoulder bag in a crescent shape. It is a larger mini bag, so it should fit your iPhone Pro Max no problem. It retails for just above the $1,000 mark at $1,050, but I think this is a really classic looking bag. It is in this crescent shape that's really coming back in style. If you've noticed, we've really started to go back towards the 2000s when it comes to bag trends, and hobo bags were really a big thing at that time, so I feel like that crescent shape really just pulls in from that trend. It has an adjustable strap, which is great, and then there are two card slots inside, so if you want to save a little room and ditch a card holder or a small wallet, you can by just using those card holders. So the next bag on the list is an honorable mention for me, and it's not exactly a high-end designer, but it is still a contemporary designer, and it is the Coach Pillow Tabby bag in the 26 size. This bag retails for $550, so it's well below the $1,000 budget mark, but the great thing about Coach is that you can often get these bags on sale, and if you buy it directly from Coach's website and it's your first time and you sign up for their mailing list, you can usually get a discount like 10% off. Sometimes they do other special promotions, so that's definitely something to consider. I like this size because I think it's the perfect size to fit all of the essentials. You can definitely fit a phone in this bag, no issue, and the great thing about this bag is that it can be worn as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. by using a detachable strap. There's 2 interior pockets and then a center zip compartment. You have a variety of colors. My favorite are the ivory and the aqua. The black is also really great. But I also like that the monogram comes in the same leather and color as the rest of the bag, so you get this really great monochromatic look. And then it really leans into that puffy bag trend that we're seeing. So if you like this trend but you don't really want to spend a ton of money on one of the higher end designer bags because you're worried that the trend might go out of style, this could be a really great option. And I feel like Coach is really bringing their A game. I used to buy a lot of Coach bags and then I ended up selling them all like right around the time that I was getting married, and I wasn't really interested in a lot of their designs, but I feel like they're really taking the line in a new direction and coming out with a lot of interesting styles. Now this next bag will not be a surprise to any of you who have been watching my channel, and it is this monogram clutch from YSL. It retails for $725. I can't say enough good things about this clutch, and I really feel like this is a bag that you shouldn't sleep on. I've done a ton of videos. I'll link one of them above if you're interested in this bag, because I don't want to keep doing the same video over and over, but definitely this is not one to sleep on, and I won't be surprised if they start raising the price on this soon. Next from YSL is going to be the puffer pouch. Now this bag retails for $945. What I like about this bag is that it includes a card case, so I feel like it's a really great price for the little clutch and the card case. I don't think you can go wrong with it. It's quite small, so it's probably not going to fit an iPhone Pro Max, but you will be able to fit a smaller iPhone in there or a smaller comparable phone. Now it is a pouch. It does not come with a strap or anything like that, but there are conversion kits that you can buy, say on Etsy. I'll link one down below if you're interested. If you like the puffer line, this is one to consider, especially if you're working with a budget, because the next size is a toy puffer and it retails for more than $2,000. So this clutch is a really great way to get into that line without spending more than $1,000. Last on the list is going to be the Chloe Marcie bag in the size small. Now when I was researching this video, I was a little thrown off because I was finding this bag for $990 on some websites and for $1,150 on other websites. And it seems like this bag might have had a redesign and the newer version is slightly bigger and more expensive at the $1,150 mark. But you can still find the older version with slightly smaller dimensions for $990 on some websites. But what I like about this bag is that this bag is a classic style for Chloe, which is something to be said. Chloe does design a lot of bags and sometimes they go discontinued, but the Marcie bag has really stuck around and they've come out with this bag in different sizes. This is a really cute bag. It has a boho chic kind of style. It's in this horseshoe shape that looks great with casual outfits. It's in a calfskin leather, which is really nice. It's not going to fit an iPhone Pro Max, but it will fit smaller phones, and it does pack a punch. You will be able to fit a lot of your essentials. So this is a really great bag if you have sort of a bohemian casual style. You can also find these pre-loved on websites like Fashion File for even less and save some money there. So it's a great little bag. It's a classic. I don't see this bag going anywhere, so definitely one to consider. Check it out new, check it out pre-loved, and check out the different sizes. So guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget that I'm still running my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. If you're interested in finding out how you can win a YSL card holder, I'll go ahead and link that video up above so that you can get a chance to enter. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.